Another group of colonists Another group of colonists called the Pilgrims made the difficult trip to America in 1620. The Pilgrims left England, their country. In England, they did not have freedom of religion. The king said everyone must pray in the Church of England, the King's Church. The Pilgrims wanted to be free, to have their own religion, so they started a new life in America to find religious freedom. A group of 102 pilgrims sailed to America in the fall of 1620. Their ship, the Mayflower, sailed for 66 days to get to the east coast of America. The trip was long, the weather was rainy and cold, and many pilgrims became sick. The Mayflower arrived in Plymouth, Massachusetts in November. The weather was cold and the pilgrims could not plant because of the cold. Hunting was difficult, so there was very little food to eat. Also, they didn't have houses. Everything was new and everything was difficult. Many pilgrims again became sick and many died. By the end of their first winter in Plymouth, 45 of the 102 pilgrims died. In the spring of 1621, the pilgrims' lives improved. They met the Native Americans who lived near Plymouth. The Native Americans shared their knowledge about planting, and they taught them how to hunt and fish. 1 year after the Mayflower arrived in America, the Pilgrims had a small community with some houses and a church. They learned how to live in their land. The people of Plymouth started the second colony in America, Massachusetts. In the fall of 1621, after the Native Americans helped the Pilgrims gather the food they planted in the spring, the Pilgrims and their new friends enjoyed a 3-day celebration together. The Pilgrims were very happy and thanked the Native Americans for their help during the past year. This was the Pilgrims' first Thanksgiving in their new land and the beginning of their life in a new world.